Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. In today's video, we're going to be changing out the tires on the 1965 Ford F350 and taking them to a shop and getting them changed out. And we might do brake stuff. Welcome to Fixin Two.
Yo, that's my line.
We're taking the wheels to MaxiLube, a locally owned business in Griffin, Georgia. They've been in business for over 35 years and are your go-to local shop for any general maintenance needs. They even do custom exhaust work, which we'll probably be using in the future. If you're south of Atlanta, check them out and support the local business. So while we were at our local tire shop, we found out that these are a very interesting type of tire. They are called lock ring tires. And there's this ring right here that goes around this part. And if it's not seated properly, the pressure of the wheel can cause this to fly up in your face and kill you. There's one that's way more dangerous, and it's called the Widowmaker. So if you look on the inside of the tire here, these two parts right there are locked together like this on the Widowmaker. And if those aren't seated properly and the tires are blown up, it can go boom and kill someone. In fact, we were telling our grandfather about these tires, and he said that one of his uncles was killed by trying to mess with these things. So I think we're going to press pause on the wheels for now, and we're going to go work on the brakes. So let's get into it. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to spray all the lines down with feed blaster so it's easier to get them off, so the wheel cylinder will come out a lot easier.
We're going to start with taking these springs off.
There's only one tool you need for it. Well, actually, I think you have the wrong tool for it.
Got this brake line put in. Put this wheel cylinder in real quick.
Okay, guys, just for some perspective on how much stopping force it needs. These are the back brake shoes,
Let's see here.
and these are the front. Right here, these are the front.
Back stopping 2 sets of tires.
I mean, still, technically, in my eye, the front would need more braking power. Do a back wheelie. Is this made of graphite? What is it?
Yeah, it's graphite.
I bet.
A compound of graphite. The one with more goes in the front, right? Is this that extra bracket you were talking about? Looking bracket thing?
Ford or Chevy?
Chevy.
Oh man, you sacrilege.
Well, see, but in all reality, Ford just seems to have overcomplicated their cars in so many different ways.
Well, I can't argue with that, but Ford also makes good quality cars. They're overcomplicated, but they're good quality.
You didn't say old or new.
Well, and what? Well, let's say newer cars.
Well, you don't have. Well, I don't know. We'll say that. I don't know.
Let's talk about older. Would you go Ford or Chevy?
Chevy.
Okay.
100%. Because GM made their parts. As far as I know, GM made their parts like they used the same parts for a very long time.
Yeah.
This is going to be interesting.
What?
Because there's no pin right here to keep it up. I've always done it with a pin.
Why is it even there if it doesn't even move?
Maybe it does somehow.
There's no what?
So it's going to be interesting since there's no pin to hold it in while I do all this. Bennett, get the vice grip to the back. That worked right last time.
Hey guys, so we got the first one in, and we're finna get the second one in here in a second. We know that there's a right tool for what we're doing, but we don't have it. So I said vice grip, he said screwdriver. Maybe the two shall meet. Beautiful.
Screwdriver gets it done.
Well, the vice grip's blocking the way from
Yeah.
the thing getting on it.
Yeah, I've always had better luck with a screwdriver. Wait, what's going on here?
Wrong one.
I mean the wrong one.
Wait, what? Did something just... Oh, did this just... No, that didn't happen. Maybe we adjusted it too far or something. Because I was pulling on it pretty hard.
Oh, I was trying to go on from the wrong place. That's what it was.
Be ready with the vice grip tapping. I barely tapped that thing and it came out.
I'm telling you, I always got better luck with. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's one. Oh, we gotta bleed it still, but we do that afterwards. Go tap the tap the thing. Yeah, it's all put together now.
There's no fluid.
Mm-hmm. See if it holds pressure and.
We may not have any fluid. Yeah, it did the thing. It moved.
All right. And this did nothing, but okay.
I don't know what the back one does.
Moral support for the front one.
Moral support, is that what you said?
Moral support for the front one. I think this is...
And Bob Ross's famous words, everyone has to have a friend. Even the trees and the bushes and the clouds. Don't want no one to get lonely.
Is this an old seal or something?
Looks new to me.
That's the old one, yeah.
All right, where's the block of wood? No, right there. Okay. Mm-hmm. It was much easier than the last time. It's already in.
Okay. Is it bad that we were scared we did something wrong because it was too easy?
No.
My 14-year-old just called this a fidget spinner, which is kind of right.
I said some kid
It's a lot
probably.
cheaper than a fidget spinner, that's for sure.
It is. I said some kid probably was playing with this and was like, you know what? I'm gonna put this on the market.
I want to remarket this bearing as a fidget spinner.
Make a fidget
And
spinners
now they're
back in the
rolling in it,
60s.
that's for sure.
Harrison.
Oh, doggone it. Not again.
Sometimes you're going to step in the grease.
Too many times, apparently.
Well, at least once more, Miss Swan.
When are you gonna stop calling me Miss Swan? Isn't that from Pirates of the Caribbean? Okay. We just got copyrighted. Hold your hand out.
Oh, where's the cotter pin?
Cotter pin, where's the cotter pin? I don't even know where that's from.
Is that from some old movie? Go
Harrison,
get...
spin it. I'm gonna go tap the brakes.
Nothing's gonna... Okay.
Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Alright.
Do it again.
Okay. I'll need to do some adjusting and some bleedings, but, you know, it's okay.
How efficient?
It's okay.
On a dime?
No.
Or on a nickel?
On a nickel.
Okay.
More like $50.
Yeah. Oh, that's fun.
That's probably not right.
I'm not supposed to do that. Or do you not have it tied down all the way?
Yeah, that would be it.
Dummy.
Don't you call me dummy, boy.
You are a dummy. Well, guys, after a short hour and a half, we got both the front brakes done. All we have left is the back ones. We'll probably be doing that in our next video. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Find out you don't have the right parts, and then your project comes to a grinding halt.
Wow.
You dumb cat. I swear, if my phone is cracked, I'm going to murder a cat.
He thinks.
Who won that?
Again?
The cat did it.
Okay.